How to listen to music offline on eSound. So first of all, open up your application. Make sure the application is updated to the latest version. Now tap on the search icon and search for the music you want to listen. Now select the music you want to listen. Now at the bottom left corner, you will see two dots. Tap on it. Now tap on download offline. Now wait for some time. Now to access it, at the bottom right corner, tap on the library. Now go to saved songs. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question you want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.